Welcome to my perhaps last parking lot review, at least out west this year. I'm at Winter Park. The coldest day I've had in the last 2.5 weeks. The coldest day. It's snowing. I guess it was like 55 degrees yesterday and beautiful. Today was like 3 inches of snow over ice. It was not good. I don't know if I should really even, I can't fairly review a ski. I used the Rustler 10s today, next year's Rustler 10, which I do absolutely love, and I've had a couple fantastic days this spring on these out west. I think I've talked about them before. Fantastic skis. I thought that today was going to be a Rustler 10 day. It was not. It was not a Rustler 10 day, but I'll tell you, in spite of the snow, these Rustler 10s performed still very well. I mean, they still are amazingly good holding, even, you know, not the best on ice, of course, but you just pick your spots on when you're going to set your turn and carve, but still quick, still fun. I had a good day. I was talking to someone up on top. No matter what, it's skiing. Skiing, you know, pretty damn lucky to be doing what we're doing when we do it. And you know, even though I can't see any blue sky today and just a lot of clouds, wind, and snow, I'm pretty damn happy. So thanks for a great 2.5 weeks. These parking lot reviews were fun. It kind of turned into something, and probably might continue them going forward. So until next time, cheers. Take care.